So today I'm going to try this product I read about online. It's not that popular on the detailing forums, but there was this obscure thread I found where someone used it on faded trim. So that's it essentially. You can put it on plastic, chrome or metal, and it just restores colour from faded trim. I've got some black sort of plastic trim around the doors on my Volvo, which I've tried a lot of different products on. The best results I had was from, what's it called? G-Technics C4. That lasted about a year before it started to fade as well. So I'm going to give this one a go and hopefully it lasts a bit longer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and wash the car now and then scrub the surfaces I'm going to use this on with probably about 20% Surfex HD degreaser. Just get all the current dressings off of it. So I've got a nice clean and bare surface. And then I'll give this a go and see how long it lasts. So I'm also going to do the scuttle panel around the windscreen because that's faded a bit as well. And a little bit here and there around the wing mirrors. So I'll check back once I've actually cleaned everything and I'm ready to apply it. So Polytrol it's called. Got it on Amazon, this massive tin. I think it was about 25 quid, so it should last quite a while. So the car is now thoroughly cleaned all over. So I'll show you the areas I'm going to apply it to. And before I apply it, I'm just going to put a bit of panel wipe on the surface to make sure it's squeaky clean. So it's mainly this area here where it's faded. These rubbers are faded as well, but I don't think it's suitable on rubber. So I'm just going to apply it here, here as well. And the scuttle panel is also starting to fade, although it's not too bad. And that's essentially it. Other than that, the car looks pretty immaculate, so yeah, that's not even too bad. But just along here, and then just this bit as well. I'm going to do a test spot on this rubber, but only a little bit because it's not really designed for it, and I'll see how that goes. So I'll just rub a bit of panel wipe on and then continue the video. So I'm ready to apply. So it says apply Polytrol liberally and evenly using a soft brush or a cloth. I'm trying to read this through the phone screen. On bare metal, I'm not using bare metal. Allow it to work for 10 to 20 minutes. If surface absorbs unevenly, i.e. matte or shiny patches, move surplus oil from shiny areas to matte areas. Wipe off excess with a clean lint-free cloth before it becomes tacky. So I'm going to apply it with a normal microfiber, evenly as I can. I'll probably do the flatter side rather than the more plush side. Just going to apply it and wait. So I'll do a small area on camera and then I'll do the rest off camera. So let me just get ready. On second thought, I'm just going to use one of these. It seems ideal for it. I can just fold it like that and yeah. And there we are. Let's give it a go. Nice. You get the idea. I'm going to do the rest off camera because it's too hard with one hand. I need to concentrate. So I've done half the car. I should have used masking tape really. I'm going to mask up the other side. Done half the car. I'm just going to wait the 10 minutes and then flatten it out. So you can see what I've done here. I've done these as well, might as well. And that's where it ends. And then done this bit. And then here. I'll need to buff that flat. So yeah, just let it do its thing for a few minutes. So it takes 24 hours to fully cure, and the good thing is you can apply it and leave it for a gloss finish, or you can come back and lightly buff it for more of a matte finish, which is what I'm looking for here. And if you see, look, if I just lightly buff it, it goes matte. It applies really well to metal, so these wiper arms, it just went on a dream. And a little goes a really long way, so you really don't need to use much. So I've applied it here as well. And these were the biggest problem areas. And then I did a test spot just here on the rubber. I don't really expect it to work, but it doesn't really matter, might as well try it. So yeah, it's been about 15 minutes since I applied it. I'm going to go around this and buff it into a matte finish. And then I'll do an update video in about maybe a month's time, and then 6 months time, to see how it's holding up. I need to buff that more level in a sec. And then just for the lulz, I applied it to this Goodyear tyre wall as a test spot. Again, I don't expect it to last at all because it's not designed for rubber, but YOLO. So yeah, it's 25 quid for this massive tin, so even if it only lasts about 3 or 4 months, it's still extremely good value, because you really don't need much at all. So yeah, essentially that's it. I tried different application methods, so I used a cloth. I also chopped up one of these and used that, but to be honest, I think the easiest way would be a small paintbrush and then go back over it with one of these to buff it level. So yeah, that's just the installation. You do have to make sure the surface is extremely clean and degreased. And yeah, I was thinking, I wonder if it's the same as this product, but this is just in aerosol form. I use this exclusively on the plastics on my motorbike, and also the engine fins here. They seem to do the same kind of thing, but this is pretty good stuff as well. So yeah, anyway, hope this helps, and I'll check back in about 6 months.